Welcome to the Argos toy unboxing. Today we're looking at the cute and adorable characters from the popular CBeebies show Hey Duggee, and we have lots to play with. Let's see who's joining us today. It's the cuddly Squirrel Club members Tag, Rolly, Happy and Betty. Tag is a kind and sweet rhino and is fairly clumsy. He's always bumping into something.
Let's go play hide and seek.
Rolly is a hippo who's enthusiastic about everything. He's always interrupting and isn't good at listening, but he's very good at being very loud indeed.
Surprise!
Betty, the jolly purple octopus. She's a little bossy and would love to be in charge. She's also very clever and loves to read. Plus, she's competitive and always wants to be first. And if she isn't, well, you could say she's a bit of a sore loser. Exclusive to Argos is Happy the crocodile. Happy loves water, and if there's a puddle to splash in, Happy is so happy. Like all our soft toys today, each fun, colourful character is suitable for children of 10 months and over. These guys here are all approximately 20 centimetres tall and say their signature phrases from the show. And they all come with a child-safe feature badge for you to wear. Next we have the Woof Woof Duggee soft toy. Duggee is the Squirrel Club leader. He's very kind-hearted. He makes sure all the children are having fun, learning and playing games. He loves to take them all on adventures. If you pat his head, he woofs, or press one of his 4 embroidered badges and he makes sounds, says phrases from the show, or plays the theme tune.
Well done, squirrels.
He comes with 2 child-safe badges for you to wear and stands at approximately 30 centimetres tall. He's super soft and cuddly with wonderfully floppy ears. Now who else is here? Another Duggee! This Hey Duggee soft toy is around 20 centimetres tall and is cute and cuddly like the real Duggee, perfect for your little one to take around on all their adventures. And of course, our lovable friend here makes the perfect snuggle companion. We hope you've loved this Argos unboxing with Tag, Rolly, Betty, Happy, Woof Woof Duggee and the Hey Duggee soft toy, all from the show Hey Duggee. They're all perfect for hours of fun and the characters are oh so cute. Let us know which one you like the most.